My name is Tim O'Hara, Dr. Tim O'Hara, and I work here at Museums Victoria Research Institute as a senior scientist specialising in marine environment. My specialty is in the deep sea, so we go out on research vessels, we collect animals from the deep sea and we explore them through trying to describe them, to bring them to life, to photographing them, and to also increasingly explore their DNA. This voyage, we're heading off into the Indian Ocean to the seamounts around Christmas and Cocos Keeling Islands. The areas around Christmas and Cocos Island have just been made our newest marine parks. And yet we actually know surprisingly little about the animals that live on the seafloor there. So we're going to go out in Australia's blue water ocean ship, the Investigator, and we're going to go and survey the animals that live on those seamounts. That's really deep seafloor. We're not just talking about a deep dive here, or a scuba dive. We're not talking about even the depths that a submarine would go to. We're talking kilometres down, right? So right down to the bottom of the seafloor, where it's sort of 4, maybe 5 or even 6 kilometres deep. And out of that seafloor rises huge mountains, created 40 to 120 million years ago. They're ancient volcanoes, and they're massive. They can be 70 kilometres across, 5 kilometres high, and the landscape's studded with these enormous monsters. And yet we know nothing about them. No scientific expedition has been there to look at the biology or the fauna down there, so we'll be the first. This will be a voyage of discovery. We'll be bringing examples of animals back to the museum. On the first voyage of discovery, it's always important to bring a few individuals back, because what we'll do is extract DNA, we'll work out precisely what these animals are, how they relate to other animals. We'll be able to describe new species. We expect maybe a third of all the animals that we'll bring back will be new species. And it's important for governments, it's important for society, if we want to protect these areas into the long term. An important role of the museum is to do research. It's actually to understand biodiversity. We can use our collections in a way that actually helps us do that. We have representatives of tens of thousands of animals in our collection, and so if something new comes along, we can compare it to all of those other species that we hold. It's a really important role. It's something that museums alone are capable of doing. There's still parts of the world that are completely unknown. This is like the wild west of Australia. It's an unknown territory. And so to be the first person or the first group of people to go there and explore this area in detail is a privilege, and it's a very exciting endeavour.